Hi, I'm Elisa with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. We're excited to announce that voting in our 8th annual Local Quilt Shop contest will begin on Local Quilt Shop Day, Saturday, January 25th, and run through February 28th, 2025. We started the Local Quilt Shop contest in 2018 as a way to highlight the backbone of the sewing community, local quilt shops. Since then, each year has brought new and exciting changes to the contest. We started the contest with 1 grand prize winner and 2 honorable mentions. Slowly, we began adding more categories like runner-up until 2022, when in an effort to recognize even more amazing shops, we began awarding regional prizes, expanding our total winners to 75 in 2024. This year, we've added another completely new category with a very special prize. We love seeing stores show their competitive side for the contest, and it's fun to see the creative ways that they get out the vote. But there are still many incredible stores that don't get the opportunity to share in the spotlight. So this year, we're introducing the Creative Hub Award. The Creative Hub Award will be given to 3 stores who have gone above and beyond in finding ways to foster creativity and community for their customers. Each of these stores will receive a live virtual presentation with Annie for their store. The winning stores will work with Annie personally to create a truly special virtual event for their customers. This can be a lecture, class, or whatever each store thinks would most interest and inspire their community. To help make this event fully interactive, winners of the Creative Hub Award will also receive a free trunk show to accompany the presentation. Unlike the grand and regional prizes, this will be awarded based on the quality and content of voters' comments instead of the quantity of votes received. By taking the extra time to write out thoughtful comments and by encouraging your friends to vote, you are directly helping your store's chances of winning an award, even if there are bigger stores in your region. This leads me to a new rule we've added this year, but before you panic, this new rule also comes with a new prize. In order to qualify for any award or prize in the 2025 Local Quilt Shop contest, stores will now need to receive at least 50 votes. This includes the new Creative Hub Award. The competition is ramping up this year, and we want to make sure our rules reflect that. The other reason we've decided to add this new rule is because in addition to providing free trunk shows to our regional winners, our 2025 regional winners will also receive $500 USD of ByAnnie credit. While a free trunk show might not appeal to every store, what store can't use $500 of free product? And that's not all. Thanks to our generous, returning, and new sponsors, there are lots of other great prizes. So be sure to check out the full list of rules and prizes on our website, LQScontest.com. Ready to start collecting votes? Looking for ways to share the contest with your friends? The LQS Contest website has great resources to promote the contest and get your store those votes. Like these cute thermometers that you can fill up throughout the contest as you receive votes. Whether your goal is 50 votes, 100 votes, or if you want to fill in your specific store's goal, these are a great way to show customers your progress. We have plenty of fun decorations you can put around your store to promote the contest, as well as a press release template you can submit to your local news outlet. And for customers, we have great digital resources you can post to show you voted. These can all be found on the Promote page of our website. We'll have more updates throughout the contest, so be sure to stay connected through our email newsletter, our social media pages, and through the LQS Contest website. And if you're watching after January 25th and you haven't done so already, go vote for your favorite shop! We've attached a link to the voting page in the description as well as in the pinned comment. We're so excited for this year's contest and hope that it continues to be a great resource for local quilt shops. Good luck to all the amazing local quilt shops out there, and until next time, happy stitching!